What? What's going on in the world? It's Mr. Rick from Splintered Reality. I'm here with my son.
Hi.
And we're gonna build something awesome today. Don't you wanna build with us? Of course you do. But first, the intro. Okay, so like everybody else, we're kind of stuck in quarantine.
Yeah.
So we wanted to do something fun and exciting and fun. And what better fun than to turn to the bag of holding? Dun dun dun. Ooh. All right, go ahead. Let's see what we have in the bag of holding.
Ta-da!
It's a brick head. Okay, so let's start with the most fun part about anything, and that is unboxing. Oh, this camera's falling down. Oh. Unboxing!
Hooray!
Hooray! Okay, so how's the box? So let's go ahead and go for it. And we rip the box. And we got pieces.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's okay.
We're good.
Okay, so every brickhead has its own little stand. Yeah, so when people ask whether I like Funko or Lego better, like in the last video, yeah. So then you have these, which is like somewhere in between.
Yeah,
right?
it's like Funko Legos. They're great.
Funko Lego.
So,
All right.
Instructions.
So, and 2 bags. So we've got our instructions. Okay, so we are starting with, hey look, it's us. We just did that. We just opened it and went, yay! And
pour out the bags.
Does it say to pour out both bags?
Yeah.
Yes.
For this one, yes.
For this one, yes. Okay,
You're gonna
so
do it like the Lego man in the instructions.
And
don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Find that piece that just went everywhere.
Okay.
Hey, we found it! Yay!
I'm pretty sure there's another piece.
No, I heard just one.
I saw more than one.
So that's how you do it.
Let me double triple check.
Double triple check. Nope, just one. Pretty sure.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Good enough for government work. Okay, great. So the first thing that we need is a 2x.
What?
2x.
Oh. Not these. It's in here.
It's in here. Blue 2x. And then we need, two 2x's. And then we're going to
touch them.
I'm going to touch them. Yay! And then we get this one. Aha! Ah!
And then no, we just push it
Up against it. Haha.
And
Then we need the little circly-doo, which is right there.
We need the circle-doo, and we also need, I think, 2 flat pieces.
2.
Are they flat or?
That I can't tell.
I can't tell, but with my sunglasses.
Yes!
Oh, ha.
Aha!
Aha.
Aha!
Hooray, we're building.
Hooray,
bricks.
we're building with. Now we're building with bricks! Wow. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got the green part. Then we need shiny bricks. They're so shiny.
And also these 2.
Those 2, awesome. Pink, pink. All right. Show that other camera what we're doing over there.
Oh, hi other
Hey,
camera.
hi other camera.
We need. Let's try to go around it.
Squish the bricks. Okay, what's next?
We need 1 of these and 2 goldie bits.
One and 2 goldie bits. Okay. All right, where do those go?
Ta-da!
All right, so that goes on top of that. Yeah, let's keep them on the table.
That would be great.
That would be great. Let's keep it on the table. I bet you we're making his core. We're making his belly button.
From seeing.
We're making his belly button.
I don't think so.
Yeah, no, totally.
I think
we've
we're
got some reds. Some reds. There we go.
I can.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright.
And we need a 1.
It's been a while since I've built like an actual set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So. Ah.
Oh no, not this one.
That's
his
that's
front.
it. That's his front piece. All right. That's his tum tum.
No, I'm pretty sure it's his chest.
Oh, it's right there. Yeah, it's Barracks, baby. Okay. What have we got? What have we got?
I'm pretty sure this.
Okay. Little purpley dude. You were doing his armpits. Maybe there's a very real possibility this could be pitacular.
Keep in mind, everyone. This is a Thanos like biology class.
It is. We're working on what makes. Am I the only one that thinks that it's kind of cool that, you know, he made everybody else fall to tiny little pieces, and yet he's in tiny little pieces right now? That's
yes.
funny.
You're the only one to.
That's funny. That's humorous. Humorous.
And now
Golds,
we
lots of
need
golds. We need 4 of them.
4 of them.
4 golds. Boo 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 boo. Gonna put them like that.
So yeah, I think we built Thanos' heart.
And we thought he was heartless this entire time. This is so crazy. Oh, so what are we doing now?
Putting a piece upside down. On
Lots.
accident.
It was an accident. Okay. We need 4 of them?
These. No, 6.
6? Okay.
I have 3.
You
4.
have 3?
4.
Okay.
There.
And then that there, and that there. Yeah!
And
oh yeah!
Then.
Okay, now.
1, 2. Nope. 2.
And then we need that little
Disky
bluey. Bluey do. And then.
Stack. And then disc.
And then more stacking.
And
then Mr. Cameraman, you're gonna want to get a shot of that. See that? That's cool. That's really cool. Okay, keep
Wait,
it.
what?
It was cool. So
Why's that cool?
it's just cool.
Oh,
So now we got to build up another layer.
Yep. Except like the opposite.
Okay.
So we would do this instead.
Aha. That way it's structurally sound. Yeah. Okay. All right, what else? What's next? We're doing the Lego build of what's next. Okay, so we need 2 of those. And then need 2 more of those.
2 more of those.
Boo, boo, boo.
We're making Thanos' face.
Are we?
Yeah.
It's a Thanos face, a face of Thanos.
Purple blob.
It's a purple blob.
That's what Thanos actually looked like as a kid. He was a purple blob.
He was a purple blob.
Yes.
So what else? What else do we need?
The massive forehead that they have.
Is that the forehead?
I'm pretty sure it's his forehead.
Yeah, I'm pretty. Where's the grimace chin?
Here, you just picked it up.
Oh, I just picked it up. And then look at this. Look at that little 2-banger for it. That's neat.
Yeah, it's his eyes.
Ow! Ooh, and I betcha. It kind of has like a Zoidberg look to him.
A what?
Zoidberg? Futurama?
Oh.
Ah. You know that show that you don't watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't he like the lobster guy?
Yep.
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 There's his
Yeah, there's his face.
And
we got to his face.
Instead of having a massive chin, he has a massive forehead.
He has a... His forehead's so big it's a 5 head.
Really?
Yeah, it's a 5 head. Yep.
A 5 head.
It's a 5 head. Instead of a 4 head, it's a 5 head.
Good job.
You're welcome. Yep. Alright, so now we got this little guy of mine. Okay, there we go. And then this little guy goes on here.
Boom. Teamwork.
Pow. Teamwork makes the dream work, people. It's true. How about the other side? Do they have us doing the other side yet?
I don't think so.
Okay, great.
Alright. It said we need 2 of these, and these are also his ears.
Nice. So
But
the
we're
answer.
not doing the other side. It's actually a part of his armpit. And yes, we were actually building his armpits.
Nice.
When you asked. Yeah.
I could tell. There were sweat stains.
Wait, what?
Yeah, keep going. Okay, so we did that, and I bet we have to do the other side. No, we're just
building his hands.
We're building his hands. Ooh. Hands.
Here, you get the hand.
Okay, so
I'll get the other side.
So there's that, and then we need 2 little guys. Oop, oop, oop. And then that goes there like that. Then that goes there like that. And then there's another setup. Yep. Then that goes there like that. And it's the other direction. And then that goes the other direction.
Bam. Second side.
And then pow. Then we need his tiny little thumb. His tiny little thumb. So he can snap.
It's the other hand.
It's the other hand. Shush. Don't poke holes in my logic.
Poke.
Okay. Okay, so, and then we go, oh, which?
It's like this.
I did it backwards.
No, you didn't.
No, I did,
No,
yay!
you didn't do that.
Hey, I didn't do it backwards.
And I did this part.
You did that part, so let's go to the next part.
In front of the tiny.
Oh, look at that, we're doing his other ears.
Ears and armpit.
Ears and armpits, armpits and ears. Oh, we get to do the gauntlet now. Do you want to do the gauntlet?
What?
Yeah, that's pretty
wait,
neato.
do we have the glittery gauntlet piece?
Yes,
We do?
right there.
Oh, that is the glittery
That is it,
gauntlet.
that is it. That is all of the stones.
And his head is done.
All right.
Done.
Yeah, with the done head.
Oh, wait, no, he has no.
Oh, he does. Okay,
He has no
let's,
back of his head.
but we will get to that
Later.
later. Later.
Okay, so we need
2 hours later.
one of these.
No, one of those.
We need one of these.
One of those.
Okay, so we're gonna
That?
start with this,
Uh-huh.
and then we purple it up with his purple little hands,
Okay.
and then we say, you know
3.
what, that purple could use a little gold,
No, what, gold? Yep, gold.
because
Yep.
he just felt the need that he needed to purchase a golden hand at the store because he wanted to brag to everyone
golden
how
hands
gold
are
his
us.
hand is.
It's gold!
Then we got this little piece. I don't know what it's for.
That's the back of the gauntlet.
Oh, yes, it is. And we got what seems to be his thumb.
And then that one. And then that one. Okay.
And then
Then we cover that up.
in the infinity stone. Wait, did I do it backwards?
No, it goes towards the black part.
Oh, yeah, yep. Like this. We have built the infinity gauntlet for a very small man.
Dink.
And now we have Thanos with no legs.
With no legs. 0
It's
legs.
kind of awkward.
Is it? But did we do it right? Awkward is.
So.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
There it is.
Okay, great. Sometimes you have to look at the picture. All right.
Boom.
Zoom. Boom. Okay. So next,
The back of his head that
the back of his head that we never did. And then we'll need the flatty parts.
You think this is like actually how Thanoses are made? Like
No.
if you want to make a Thanos, you have to put a gauntlet on his hand before you do the back of his head.
Yes. I mean that's obvious.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course. Okay. So then we're gonna make his feetsy doos.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Got
we
the.
put this in here, then we stack 2 of these. Nope.
Nope. There we go.
This go. There.
There we go. Right.
Boop.
What else?
We need his golden feet.
He needs his golden feet. Okay. And so those go up.
I'll build 1 foot, you build
Okay.
the other foot.
Got these big old well, they're actually quite tiny, but.
Yes.
Boo-doo-boo-doo-boo-boo. This is me and my golden feet.
Oh,
All right.
They're at the edge.
They're at the edge. Okay. Bing. Yeah.
He can stand.
And he can stand. Okay. So now we need to build
Build
his.
the brickhead face.
Build.
He stands on the brickhead face. Look. So you put this here, and then you put the giant forehead of the brickhead. And you take the eyes,
Oh.
and
I see what they did there.
they,
Yeah, it does make a brickhead
they
face.
stand on a brickhead face.
Huh.
You see that? They stand on a brickhead face. They stand
Okay.
on their brothers and sisters. Oh, wait.
Bink, bink. All right.
Anticlimax.
And there we go. We have a Thanos.
With a very studded head.
He's such a stud. Okay, very cool. Guys, I hope you had fun building with us. We had fun building with you, and we're sneezing. That's I didn't. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay, there we go. You gotta sneeze into your elbow, people. That's important. Very cool. So join us next time when we build something else. We don't know yet. So yeah, we'll sit there and admire our work, and we will catch you on the upswing. Bye. And now for my favorite part, putting this guy up on the shelf. So cool. Hope you guys had fun hanging out with us, building some Lego, and yeah, keep an eye out for more fun and exciting videos because that's what we do. We're gonna have some more music videos coming from Splintered Reality and all of the wonderful stuff that we do with that. We're gonna have some more fun things just hanging out and having fun because that's what we need. We need to have some fun, okay? Cool, so have an awesome day, stay metal my friends, and we'll catch you on the upswing. Bye.